What? That's really funny.
What's going on?
Well, what else do you have to say, Isla? Isla, what's on your mind? Go show us over there in the kitchen. Okay.
See,
What-
she did it again.
What does the blinking mean? We don't know what blinking means. Oh, really? Yeah. Oh, you are just too much.
Anything else you want to add to your story?
Oh.